see here, I put my roller under, which is very nice for landing on a rocky coast, and it doubles as a seat now. Yeah, I don't feel comfortable, and I wonder what it is. I think it's just a lot of water, and I'm a very small boat, but the conditions are really fine. So the swell is a meter. Yeah, I think it's a meter, maybe 50 centimeters. And I'm getting big thumbs up. They're splashing about quite a bit in the waves. But I'm going with the waves, so and the wind is expected to freshen up a bit. So and I'm still doing 7-8 kilometers an hour, so the going is good. Yeah, I had a big meal, I had 3 coffees, nice conversation, so I feel like I can go on for some time. I don't need to be anywhere, I just need to find a place to sleep. And soon I'll turn the corner inland. The wind came up on a patch where there were rocks, and I didn't really like, or there was a lee shore, and I didn't really like that. So I'll soon turn inland, but I think I'll put a third reef in. It started to blow on a crossing where it was a wavy bit, and then it started to blow some more, then it started to blow some more. Luckily I turned the corner, so I'm supposed to go more inland now. Yeah, and I wonder if I'm gonna stay here. It's nice, protected, or if I want to go on to the shelter. So I'm weaving my way through the rocks, trying to keep my speed down, but it's only like 2 kilometers to go. There's a shelter there, so not far to go. Shoo! This is quite spectacular. Oh man. Woo-hoo-hoo! I'm quite in control with the third reef, but some of the gusts are quite fierce, so I really don't want to go too fast. Fuck! Yeah, third night in Sweden, I think third night campfire. And actually I'm missing the toilet building. So I cannot see the toilet building here, so I might have to do my stuff in the nature. Well, what a day. Phew. I can't go home now because I think a day like this, it can't be better. Yeah, third day in Sweden, third day campfire. Wow. Temperature is perfect. I'm completely sheltered here. Looking at the waves crashing down there. There's still quite some wind out, but it's completely quiet here.